Freelancing is like getting into an exclusive party. Yung mga may connection, madaling makapasok. Pero yung iba na walang connection, kailangan ng diskarte. And guess what? There's a simple way for clients to think that you belong kahit newbie ka pa lamang. And today, I'm gonna teach you how to position yourself as a top freelancer, even if you don't feel like one yet or if you just started out. So if you're ready, tara na, let's get started. Alright, so here's the truth, guys. Clients don't actually care how many years of experience you have in the industry, right? What they care about is, can this freelancer help solve my problem? And here's the 3 common mistakes that freelancers do when it comes to this. Number 1 is they apologize for being too new, right? So even if you're new, coming out of the gate and saying, sorry, I'm new to this, I'm just starting out, that really doesn't do you any favors. Mistake number 2 is listing experience without context. If you're just listing out all the random experiences you've done for anybody, everybody, that's not relevant to the client, they don't really care. And number 3 is sounding unsure. So if you use words that make you sound not confident about the project, this automatically eliminates you or does not put you in the top choices for interviews or applications for the job. All right, so if you want clients to see you as a pro, you have to change how you talk to yourself. And here's the secret phrase on exactly how to do that. If you're ready, here's the secret phrase. I specialize in, insert your skill, for specific type of client, insert the client, who wants specific result, insert the result. So, for example, instead of just saying, I'm a graphic designer, you could say something like, I'm a graphic designer that specializes in creating modern branding for e-commerce businesses that want to stand out online. Now, let's break down why this works. Number 1 is it makes you stand out and sound like a specialist even if you're just starting out, because you're already putting in elements that define who you are, what you help with, and then the results that you deliver. Number 2, it focuses on the client's needs and the potential results for the clients instead of focusing on your lack of experience. And number 3 is that it implies confidence without exaggeration. So if you're a freelancer, for example, and you send in an application, you say, I'm a writer, that'll get ignored. If you want to optimize the way you position yourself, you could say something like, I write engaging product descriptions for e-commerce stores that increase engagement and sales online. So now you're specialized instead of a general freelancer. You're showcasing more of the result you can deliver versus just what you do in general and maybe your lack of experience. In that example, you can see the difference. On the client side of things, if choosing between 2 freelancers that may or may not have experience, they would resonate more with the person that delivers more specific results. All right, so let's take this into the real world. For example, if you're applying for a social media manager position, here's a bad way of doing it. Hello, I'm applying for the job and I'm a social media manager. I can post content and reply to comments. But instead, you can say something like, I'm a social media strategist that helps small businesses grow through creating and implementing Instagram strategies. So that's a clearer approach with specific outcomes and also directly addressing who you can help and how you can help them and the results that you can deliver. All right, so in this scenario, if you've noticed, the applicant did not lie about anything in their application. Right? They just changed the way they talked about themselves and positioned themselves, therefore positioning themselves as more of an authority versus a generic freelancer. And with that alone, you can stand out and you can be hired even if you don't have experience or you have limited experience in the industry. All right, so here's a challenge for you. What I'd like you to do is go back to your bio or your resume and then delete your boring generic first line introductions, right? And I want you to write out the template. I, insert what you do, specialize in, insert something specific, right? Your skill, graphic design, video editing, copywriting, whatever it is, for specific client. That could be an e-commerce store, real estate agent or brokerage or coaches, agencies, consultants, whoever you help or you're helping out, who you want to help, churches, nonprofits, small businesses, right? Plumbers, any niche that you work with or you currently want to work with, insert that there. Who want to? A specific result. Who wants specific result? So this one, you can then insert what you anticipate to deliver for them from implementing that skill set that you have. So change your bio, change that first line, and then customize this first line either for the applications you're doing or establish yourself as an expert in that skill for that client, delivering that result. Keep building up the reputation for that and build the positioning to be the go-to freelancer for that task. And what I'd like you to do is, with your new positioning, drop it in the comments below. Let's see, let's interact. Let us know how you're now positioning yourself as the go-to freelancer. I read all of them, I'll comment, and then maybe we'll break them down, we'll react, and then we'll see how you can improve them even more. All right, but wait, one last bit. Positioning is actually one piece of the puzzle. And if you want another piece of it to really help you stand out, you need to make your resume and your portfolio twice as powerful. And in the next video, I'm gonna give you the secret power line that you can use to boost your credibility, even if you don't have much experience yet. So subscribe to the channel, drop us a like, comment below, and I'll see you on the next one.